Cynthia, aka Cecil, and welcome back to Dance with BS, Versatile's online street dance tutorials. Today we're going to get into some party groups, specifically the wave. Let's get into it. Mechanics of this group. So with the wave, we want to start up top. You want to bring up the shoulders, and then you bring up the chest, bring up the tummy, and then just let the weight drop to your knees. So in most cases, oftentimes you start to see this. Let's try to refrain from using the bottom and really use your knees to catch that weight. So you bring it from your shoulders, and then you roll it down to your knees. So shoulder, chest, tummy, knees. Let's try that in 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that 2 more times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Facing forward. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to speed it up a little bit. There's two counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Side profile. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right. I'm going to push you a little bit more. Let's try this in 1 count. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So if you notice, naturally, I'm just letting my upper body loose. My arms are swinging with me, and I'm letting it flow. Let's try that again. Start from the side view. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let me face back. Let's try this together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time facing forward, and then we'll get into some music. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's try it with music. We're gonna do 1-8 count slow and 1-8 count fast. I'll face forward, then I'll face back, and then I'll face forward again. Let's do it. In 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's face back. 5, 6, And there you have it. That is your party groove, the wave. Feel free to take this in and really explore. If you notice, I kind of was going sideways a little bit. You can face any direction with this and really just keep diving into it. Also, please keep looking through our YouTube channel. We have so many more videos to offer you if you want to continue to grow in this dance. And if you want to follow us on social media, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram under Versatile LA. If you want to follow me, you can find me at CEH_94. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I hope you had fun. I sure did. And I look forward to catching you again. Peace.